Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to three companies important test update. If you are from 25, 24, 23, two previous batches 22, 21, there is a test update from three company Tech Mahindra, Zeotap and Stellium. So let's start the video, like and share the video and I will tell each and everything with all of you. Okay, like I will share each and every update. So the first update is from Stellium Innovative Healthcare. One most important point that I have to mention, on the 2nd October I already shared this opportunity and I already mentioned that salary is 8 to 15 LPA off campus drive for 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 batch. 26 to 28 batch there is an internship opportunity, but there is a direct test opportunity that is on 15th October and it will end on 18th October. Okay, so if you check the page now, so you will see the result, okay, of Stellium, in which a candidate score and everything mentioned, okay, who perform very well in the particular coding round. After that candidates are receiving the next update that is related, like result is out software development engineer challenge. Okay, result is out for the particular like hiring opportunity Stellium Innovative Healthcare. Congratulations, we want to inform you that you have qualified the coding round of software development engineer which you played. Round is coding round and you can view your result. Okay, so the thing is, what about the next round? So your next round is skill matrix challenge. Okay, the skill matrix challenge we will discuss. The skill matrix challenge is an assessment designed to evaluate key area in software development. Candidate will test on DSA, data structures and algorithm, to solve a problem using efficient algorithm and DSA. Problem solving, okay, requiring local and logical and innovative solution, logical reasoning and technical skills. Okay, this challenge provide an opportunity for candidate to showcase their technical prowess, creativity and logical approach. So the thing is, it is a skill matrix challenge, so there is a some DSA based challenge in which the assessment window will be open from 20 October tomorrow 5 p.m. to 22 October. Assessment duration is 1 hour. Total question to be answered 50 question. Okay, like first of all coding round is already completed. Now 50 question will be there. Timer per question will be this. Okay, you can attempt the assessment anytime. Okay, and you have to finish the assessment before 22 October. You will get separate marks for accuracy, current answer and speed, time taken to be answer. So the speed and time is very matter in this skill matrix challenge. So you can prepare the data structure, problem solving, logical reasoning and technical skills. So this is the second round, that is by the Stellium Healthcare. Okay, I already shared there is a 8 to 15 LP opportunity, variable work from home full time opportunity. So this type of hiring, please don't miss this, and best wishes for your skill matrix challenge. Okay, and one of the most important point, when we got next update I will share with all of you. Okay, let's discuss about our second company, that is Tech Mahindra. One most important point that I have to mention for Tech Mahindra, we already created playlist. 3 months ago I shared opportunity, that is off campus drive for 24 batch, mass hiring and every video in there. Okay, so candidate received yesterday related to Tech Mahindra. Hello, when you applied at the time of you kept Tech Mahindra freshers hiring. Okay, today he got mail and candidate is from 24 CSE. So it is one of the mass hiring for 24 batch. So this is the mail. Tech Mahindra fresher evolution, okay, process. Dear applicant, this is with reference to registration for the Tech Mahindra, everything they share. Okay, so your round 1 will be aptitude test on 23rd October. After that 25th October, 28th October technical interview and HR interview. So the thing is, Tech Mahindra process round 1 to round 3 is conducted virtually, and round 4 and round 5 may be conducted in Tech Mahindra offices. You will receive test link from talentcentral@shl.com. If this mail in the spam folder, you have to move to your inbox to access the test link. So the thing is, if I'm talking about the Tech Mahindra hiring process, so always Tech Mahindra follow the phase wise process. Okay, so but according to the phases, Tech Mahindra send the examination mail. Let's discuss about our third company, that is Zeotap. So the thing is, 2 days ago I shared this opportunity on our channel. Okay, a link will be here. Geotab. Okay, but now if you access the link, so the link is not working because the link is already expired. Okay, so I already shared opportunity 2 days ago and I clearly mentioned that freshers, previous can apply, as well as 25 batch can also apply. I mentioned clearly. Okay, this is the hiring software engineer intern 25 batch and previous. So the thing is, there is a biggest breaking news. Like candidates are receiving the software engineer intern application at Geotab, like they are receiving the update. Dear applicant, thank you for showing interest in the software engineer intern position. There is a 6 month in office internship in Bangalore starting in November, means next month. There is a paid internship, INR 65,000 per month is the stipend. That's why I mentioned that 25 batch, previous batches apply for opportunity, don't miss any hiring. Please note that it is a 6 month in office internship based in Bangalore starting immediately. If you are available for duration of 6 months and can work from Bangalore, are eligible to participate in the process. The internship date cannot be changed or extended. If you are unavailable in the November, kindly ignore the email and refrain from participating. Okay, so as a part of next step, please complete the attached assignment. The deadline for submission is 26 October. Okay, and you will receive this type of update from the Geotab that your assignment software engineer intern Geotab and you have to complete. 65,000 K is the stipend. So suppose you think that after conversion from pre-placement internship to pre-placement opportunity or offer, so how much your package will be there. So they will also provide the good number of package. Okay, so the thing is, always apply for every opportunity, don't miss any kind of hiring. Okay, and I receive lot of updates in the comment section that just this comment I received, what about 25 batch Gen 1. So I already mentioned Geotab is for 25 and it's a Gen 1 stipend is 65,000. We'll share updates soon. So the thing is, we are sharing the Gen 1 opportunity and apply for all opportunities. I already uploaded all videos on our channel. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.